मैं हूं सईद नूराना और आप देख रहे हैं आपकी आवाज़। कोविड-19 के पैंडमिक के टाइम पे मेडिकल यूनिट एक ऐसी यूनिट थी जो सुबह से लेकर रात तक अब कंटिन्यूसली काम कर रही थी। कंटिन्यूस मेहनत उन्हीं की थी जब पूरा देश, पूरे लोग घर पे बैठकर आराम से थे, लेकिन डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज, हॉस्पिटल स्टाफ, फार्मास्यूटिकल स्टाफ, सारे लोग कंटिन्यूसली काम कर रहे थे और उनका बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रोल था। आज हम मौर्या सर्कल में हैं, जहां पिछले 13 दिन से यानी 24 से लेकर अब तक लोग स्ट्राइक पे हैं। उन्हीं से पूछते हैं कि उनकी मांगे क्या है, वो क्यों आज पिछले 13 दिन से वो स्ट्राइक पर बैठे हैं। Why are you here?
Here we are strike started from the 24th September. So our demand is one is equal grade equal pay. That's because contractual employees are fighting for the equal grade equal pay for from 15 years. So this pandemic time, all contractual employees 24 hours from 5 months we have worked without any leave, without family, without food. Everything we left and forgotten with this and worked. Now we are demanding, that's the Supreme Court order. When it was 2016 November, it is Supreme Court order, equal grade equal pay should be given to the contractual employees. But it's not implemented in our state. So we are asking our demands, we are not forcing anyone to give. We are not taking any from anyone. We are asking our demand, just you fulfill that one. Because we are working in health department, we have to think about the public. So we are doing it silently and calmly. We are doing. So
for past 13 days you have been protesting.
Yes.
There was no government involvement here.
No.
Didn't anybody come and ask why you all are protesting?
No one is asked, but rather that all higher officials are doing that one notice, issuing the notice on the staffs. If you are not joining the duty, we'll suspend you. Till from 5 months we worked for the COVID. That time they wanted us. Now they don't want. If you have protest, you will suspend it. So from past 13 days, threatening us.
So what have you planned? What will you do next?
So what we'll do next means we need our demands fulfilled. That's it. Till
what all are your demands?
That major is the equal grade equal pay. We need the facility which we are getting from the permanent staffs. That is the demand ours. No, without any notice, they will suspend us. We need a security for us, for not only for us, for our family also. We need the security. If anything happened to us, no one can come and see us.
Nobody reached out to the health minister yet?
Yeah, reached so many times. From 3 months, last 3 months we had strike here. So that time they told they taken 3 months time. So September 5 it's finished the 3 month time. We approached them and they told again they are taking 3 months time.
For then what? Why is this 3 months time taken?
We'll discuss about this. Discussion only for the discussion, not for the procedures.
Okay, only for discussion they are taking 3 months and they are asking for another 3 months, which is equivalent to 6 months.
6 months, yeah.
6 months only for discussion.
Yeah.
So what are you thinking? What would you do? What step would you take next?
They have to think. If any state comes to the means, first is the health department. They have to think about that. Otherwise, what they can give to the public. Without health public, what they will do? Without health staffs, what they can give to the public? First, they have to build the public staffs, health staffs. Then only they can give the health to the publics.
So from past 6 months, is everybody getting the salary properly?
Yeah, somebody getting properly or some incentives not getting.
Okay.
They announced the incentive for each cadre from the August, but COVID started on April or March. But from that day they are not giving the incentives. They are giving incentive from the August, but till now that is not implemented.
Okay. They said that they would.
They said paper came on the order copies came, but some of us are telling fund is not released.
Everybody from the same hospital?
No. This is the Bangalore total 197 ward is there. Each ward having one UPSC. From there, each staff is there.
Okay. From all the wards.
All the cadres.
Okay.
Doctors, nurses, lab technician, pharmacists, Group D, and drivers. Everyone who is working under health sector. All are contractual employees here.
There are no doctors involved?
Yeah, they are involved.
Okay. तो जैसे आपने सुना कि मेडिकल सेक्टर जो हमारे हेल्थ की फ़िक्र हमारे से ज़्यादा उनको थी और उनको है, तो उन्हीं का ख्याल हमारी गवर्नमेंट नहीं रख रही है। तो आप बने रहिए आपकी आवाज़ के साथ। मैं सैयद नूरान।